Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Finest Grill Hut.
Thank you. I want to place an order for 2 portions of chicken, leg and thigh.
Sure.
I want to get a portion of grilled potato,
Yes.
and I want to get a portion of fries, and I want to get a portion of lamb.
Sure. Hold 1 second.
Hi, I'm Andrew
And I'm Sadia,
of the Finest Grill Hut located in Charleville, our newest location.
located at the corner of Oleander Drive and currently Savannah Road, Charleville.
We specialize in grilled foods and barbecue.
I see you carry lamb, you carry fish, lamb, chicken, anything else or?
We have shrimp coming on board.
Alright.
So that's
Yeah. All right. So, Sadia, I see you all have a lot of amazing sides as well too.
Yes, our sides that complement our meats are grilled potatoes, macaroni salad, fried veggie rice, fries, and weddings.
All right. So, Andrew, I saw something about the meats as well too. Special information about being halal.
we are Darulum certified, so all meats halal. Our sauces and that kind of thing, we strict with that.
Okay. But that's always good to know because you have a lot of people out there that are very particular about your
We
sauces.
care about the Muslim community, so
Yeah. All right, that's great. So, we were talking earlier. You guys, this is a new branch actually. So,
we have a branch. We actually existed since 2007. Our first branch, home branch, family run, is located in Presal, Cooper. That's opposite Shades Bar.
okay. Well, what we'll do, we'll make sure and we'll take that information though for the description box, so customers can find you guys at both locations. So, guys, it was great. I see the food looks delicious, and we can't wait to try it.